Have you ever tried freshly roasted corn? They had this stand for roasted corn at the farm, so we knew it was fresh. I'm a corn fanatic, so you know we had to try both options. They had this giant machine to roast the corn, and as soon as they cool off a little, it's smothered in this mayo sauce. Then they cover it in cheese. And for their special corn, they sprinkle it with a little paprika. Look at how amazing that looked. The special corn was creamy and had a natural sweetness and a kick at the end from the paprika. The garlic butter parmesan had an amazing aroma and not too heavy from the cheese and butter combo. We really enjoyed the corn, and my boyfriend actually snuck over to buy another one, which I can't complain about because the more corn, the cornier, right?